Magandang araw ho sa ating lahat, lalo-lalo na sa ating mga kaguruan ng Department of Education na naghihintay ng kanilang SARO o Special Allotment Release Order para sa PBB 2023. So ngayong araw ho, November 24, Monday 2025, meron din tayong mga SARO na na-release mula sa DBM. But most of them are coming from uh, Region 8. Okay, congratulations. Meron ding SARO dito for PBB din, pero this is from DENR. Okay, so dito tayo for DepEd. So ito yung mga schools na merong SARO sa kanilang PBB today. Merida Vocational School, Leyte Agro-Industrial School, Hilongos National Vocational School, Dulag National High School, Dr. Geronimo Bizal Divar Memorial School of Fisheries, Cariga National High School, Burawin Comprehensive National High School, Batu School of Fisheries, then the Division of Leyte, malaki to, 277 million pesos. Then New Ormoc City National High School, Ipil National High School, Division of Ormoc City, Tacloban National Agricultural School, Tacloban City Night High School, Tacloban National High School, San Jose National High School, Sagkahan National High School, Marasbaras National High School, Leyte National High School, Cirilo Roy Montejo National High School, or Panalaron National High School, then Division of Tacloban City. Ayan, so ito yung last Friday, November 21. So, yun ho, yung mga schools na nabigyan ng SARO for today, November 24. Congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga kaguruan. Congratulations, mabuhay po ang DepEd.